Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to down and install or potentially update your Ethernet drivers on your Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 11, Windows 10, and earlier versions of Windows as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, if you want to know what type of drivers you need, you're going to have to find out what the manufacturer is. So open up the search menu, type in device manager, best match, so come back with device manager. Go ahead and open that up. Expand the network adapter section, and you can see in our case it's Intel, so just take note of that. And go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm going to search for Intel Ethernet drivers into Google, and there's going to be an Intel web page that says Intel Ethernet LAN Network Connection Driver. Go ahead and open that up. And the latest and most up-to-date versions should be at the top of the page here under available downloads. Go ahead and select the most recent available download and then run the executable. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. And you can close out of the web browser at this time. And go ahead and select next. You want to accept the license terms and select next again. Select next and then install. Since I'm in a virtual environment, it's not going to allow me to proceed here. In your case, it should allow you to proceed no problem. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to know what drivers you got to update. So that's why you go through Device Manager first. Take note of it and then go on Google, search for it, and you should be able to get it directly from the manufacturer's website, which is what I would recommend. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.